Can't imagine all the people that you know and the places that you go when the lights are turned down low. And I don't understand all the things you've seen, but I'm slipping in between you and your big dreams. It's always you in my big dreams, and you tell me that it's over. I wake up lying in a patch of four-leaf clover, and you're restless and I'm naked. You gotta get out, you can't stand to see me shaking. No, you let me go, I didn't think so. And you don't wanna be here in the future, so you say the present's just a pleasant interruption to the past. And you don't wanna look much closer, 'cause you're afraid to find out all this hope you had sent into the sky by now had crashed. And it did, because of me. These dreams, and then I learned to play guitar, maybe cross the country, become a rock star. And there was hope in me that I could take you there, but damn it, you're so young. Well, I don't think I care, and if I hurt you, then I'm sorry. Please don't think that this was easy. And then you'd bring me home, 'cause we both know what it's like to be alone. No. And I'm dreaming in your living room, but we don't have much room to live. Constantine is walking down the stairs. Doesn't she look good, standing in her underwear? And I was thinking what I was thinking, but we've been drinking and it doesn't get me anywhere. My Constantine came walking down the stairs, and all that I could do was touch her long blonde hair. And I've been thinking, but it hurts me thinking that these nights when we were drinking, though they never got us anywhere. you all the hell I put you through. I always catch the clock, it's 11:11. Now you wanna talk. It's not hard to dream you'll always be my Constantine. My Constantine. They'll never hurt you like I do. No, they'll never hurt you like I do. No, 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 no. This is to a girl who got into my head with all the pretty things she did. Hey, you know, you keep me up in bed. This is to a girl who got into my head with all these fucked up things I did. Hey, maybe, baby, you could keep me up in bed. My Constantine. You spin around me like a dream. We played out on this movie screen. And I said, did you know I miss you? 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 I miss you. And then you bring me home, and we go to sleep, but this time not alone, no, no. And you'll kiss me in your living room. I know you miss me in your living room. 'Cause these nights I think maybe that I miss you in my living room. We don't have much room. I said, does anybody need that room? Because we all need a little more room to love. My Constantine.